Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Afridi. I am here to give seminar about my internship. I am from batch 11. My internship guide was guided by Pratap. Internal guide is Pratap MS and external guide is Mr. Srinivas. About a Yami company, I worked in a Yami company where it is a private limited one-person company incorporated in 16 March 2020. It is classified in a non-government company as a registered at a Register of Companies, Bangalore. Its authorized share capital is 1 lakh and its paid up to capital is 10,000. It is involved in business activities NEC. Yami Technologies Private Limited annual general meeting was held at on Bangalore and has per records from Ministry of Corporate Affairs MCA. Its balance sheet was filed in 2020. Mr. Srinivas Ramanalli Chandra as the director of Yami Technology Private Limited. Yami is India's social network creating a platform to spread fun and happiness everywhere. Yami also allows users to share their live moments to their friends and find like-minded people by posting stories to their circle. What actual work which I did in Yami? In Yami, the actual work done in Yami. In Yami, I was in a group called Tech Warriors in the company where my work was to test the app before the release into the Play Store and before it can be a final build. I tested this app in various Android versions on Android Studio. The other work which I did was update new build from the Play Store. Every update your profile, updating my profile pictures and make sure that reflecting that all followers and following side. Updating institute name in the profile section. Done work on the institute in the profile section where we can add institution name, posting photos and videos. While posting content, select campus option, tag people on your campus. If test is tagged in updating your profile page when user tag will be posting the content. Test the post when the post is tagged. Sometimes the app did not work on some of the versions of Android. This problem was shared to the development team, which were they carried out forward. Technical skills which I gained uh, during this internship are thought process. Testing is not an easy as often presumed to be. It holds great significance to any software development process. For any tester, a knack of analytics and logical application concepts is necessary. uh, Another technical skill is reporting and communication. Testing can be a long and tiring process, sometimes requiring the tester to sit down for hours and analyze a certain situation. But after spending these hours, it is critical to have right communication sent to the higher authorities. This leads to the correction design being taken in terms of release and timelines. A good report along with effective communication is vital to establish healthy transparency and trust of all the stakeholders, as it conveys about all the actions taken and the bug found, the bug solved, and any other issues encountered. Another one is the technical skill is the global approach. As a tester, it is important to understand individual components of the system and how they interact with each other under given circumstances. The presence of multiple stakeholders in modern businesses make it tough to understand the complete working of the system. This needs to focus attention on individual components, as a tester can holistically test the application if he has the ability to detach himself from the system and get an outsider perspective. This view of components will give him a better understanding of the component and any errors in the internal working as well. This is what we all we call the global approach, monitoring global interaction as well as the local working. Coming to the non-technical skills, first is analytical skill. A good software tester should have sharp analytical skills. Analytical skills will help break up a complex software system into smaller units to gain a better understanding and create a test cases. Not sure that you have good analytical skills. Uh, if one problem you have excellently solved, you can gain the analytical skills. Next is communication skill. A good software tester must have good verbal and written communication skill. Testing cases, plans, test strategies, bug reports, and etc. are created by software tester should be easy to read and comprehended. Dealing with the developers in the event of bugs or any other issue will require a shadow of discreetness and diplomacy. Another skill is time management and organizational skills. This is important because testing at times could be demanding job, especially during the release of code. A software tester must efficiently manage workload, have high productivity, exhibit optimal time management and organizational skill. Yeah, another skill is ability to take criticism. This skill is very important and because to excel in any profession or job, one must be significant degree of the passion for it. A software tester must be passion of his or but how to determine whether they have done good software testing or better. So the management will sometimes the management will give negative report on our uh, work, so we should be ready to take that. Another one is positive attitude. To be a good software tester, you must have a positive attitude, an attitude to break, to test, to break, detail or orientation, willingness to learn and suggest process improvements. In software industry, technologies evolve with an overwhelming speed, and a good software tester should upgrade his or her skills, technical software testing skills with the changing technologies. Your attitude must be reflect on a certain degree of independence, where you can take ownership of the task allocated and complete it with much direct supervision. Benefits of testing a app. The benefits, there are many benefits which I got. Is you can be able to test the application across all cross-platform testing modes. But we have done it here on the Android on different versions of the Android, like Android for Lollipop, Android KitKat, Android 11 and all etc. Got to know how apps work in different versions of the Android, how they crash, how what is the reason behind the crashing of the app. Ability to automate test cases using mobile capability supporting framework. Some we the testing test cases like updating profile, how followers will interact with their friends, conducting mobile usability testing, testing how app will work on a particular device, and how to get a better idea of the user interface, which user how user will be attracted to the apps. Getting feedback is necessary for complete development of app, because users at initial stage users will encounter many of the crash or bugs which have to be rectified and solved and forward to the development team. How to include different technologies whenever it is needed in the application building. These are the benefits. This is my certificate where I completed my internship program from August 10th, 2020 to 24th September 2020. Thank you.